Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great starter home located on Ishmael Drive, Maypen. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining area, kitchen, washroom, study, and carport. The land area of this house is approximately 10,992 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 19 million or US $123.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.